In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Wix to streamline your customer management. We will explore how you can create automated emails like welcome messages and follow-ups to engage with your audience effectively. Whether you're managing a small business or a personal project, having a robust automation system can save you time and ensure consistent communication with your customers. So, let's dive in. Let's begin by navigating to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Customer Management. This area is your central hub for interacting with and managing your site's visitors and clients. It's crucial to understand that how you handle customer interactions can significantly impact your business's success. Consistent and timely communication helps build trust and encourages repeat interactions. Next, you'll want to locate the Automations option within the Customer Management section. Automations are powerful tools that can send emails, notifications, and updates without requiring you to manually hit send every time. Think of them as your digital assistant, ready to lighten your workload. Click on Automations to open up your options. Here, you'll see the choice to create a new automation. This is where the magic happens. You'll have a variety of templates and triggers to choose from. The flexibility Wix provides allows you to customize automation that suits your specific needs. Whether it's greeting new subscribers or following up after a purchase, the possibilities are almost endless. Let's start by creating a welcome email for new subscribers. This friendly gesture gives a personal touch to your communication and initiates a positive first experience. After selecting Create New Automation, choose the subscriber joins a mailing list trigger. This ensures that as soon as someone subscribes, they will automatically receive your thoughtfully crafted welcome message. You can then proceed to set up the action. Choose Send Email so that the subscriber receives your welcome message. Don't forget to personalize your email template. Wix offers preset templates that you can customize to reflect your brand's voice and style. Personalization is key. A personalized email can make your recipient feel valued and encouraged to engage further. Now let's move on to create follow-up emails, a great way to maintain ongoing communication with your customers. For follow-up emails, you might select triggers like after customer makes a purchase. This allows for timely follow-up, say a thank you email or asking for feedback, which can help build a long-term relationship with your customer. Similar to the welcome email setup, you'll select Send Email as the action and customize your message accordingly. Remember, the goal is to stay relevant and helpful without overwhelming your audience. Before we wrap up, always remember to test your new automations. Send test emails to see what your customers will experience. This testing phase ensures everything is working smoothly and appears just as you intend it to. And there you have it. You've now set up powerful automations in Wix to help maintain strong customer relations. This setup keeps your communication process seamless and engaging, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!